All right, we're going to learn how to do constructions today, folks. Okay, so looking at all of our tools over here, we are going to learn how to make a congruent line segment. So we're going to make a line segment that is the same length as line segment FG, and we're going to base it off of P. It doesn't matter which direction it goes in. So I'm going to grab my ruler, and I'm going to connect it to P. See how it turned yellow there? And I'm going to put it in any direction. It really doesn't matter what direction, okay? Then I'm going to go grab my pencil, and I'm going to connect it also to P. And see how it turns nice and yellow somewhere in there. There we go. See how it turned yellow right on that P? Now we're cooking with gas. Now I'm going to click. See how it turns yellow when it's starting to draw? And now when it turns yellow, then I'm going to draw my pencil along there. I'm going to make my segment longer than FG. It needs to be longer, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and turn off my pencil and my ruler. I did that by just clicking on them. See that? Turn that off. Okay. Now I'm going to go choose my compass, and I'm going to go set, there's two ends to the compass. See the one on the left side here where it says placing center? We're going to go place that on one of my points of FG. See how it turns yellow? And then once it's set, I'm going to go set the other one until it turns yellow on the other side. Once I have that, I'm going to lock it in place with that little lock icon. That sets its size. Now it's ready to be moved because I've set its size. So I'm going to move it over to P, and I need to set the lock side on P, the lock side. So I need this side to be over here, okay? Now this one is ready, and I'm going to do this with it when it's been turned on. I'm going to make a swoop. See that little mark there? I'm going to turn off my compass. I'm going to turn that off. Kind of move it off to the side there. I don't know why it's not turning off. Maybe I'll just turn a pencil on and off. There we go. Now what I've done is I've said that my segment should be about that long from P to where that mark is. I could even go and put a mark here. I don't need to. I can put one if I want. I don't have to. Unnecessary, but you can. I'm going to go ahead and check it. And there we go.